Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Again, we're doing the Pokemon sandwich videos. We're going to do all the Ultra sandwich videos until we get through all the recipes. Today we're going to do a really simple one and it's going to be delicious. I can already predict because it's going to be the Ultra Peanut Butter Sandwich. We've already done the Ultra Jelly Sandwich, so this time it's going to be the Ultra Peanut Butter Sandwich. And there really isn't much to say on this one. The only weird thing I found about this one is that the Master Peanut Butter Sandwich includes Herba Mystica, and for this one in particular it includes spicy Herba Mystica. Don't know what that's all about, but we're going to avoid that. So let's go to the video. Alright, so we're going to use grape jelly again, like we did with the Ultra Jam Sandwich. But for the peanut butter, we're going to use creamy Reese's peanut butter. Reese's, give me money. We're going to start off with the butter. This is slightly melted butter. Yes, the bread is toasted. I thought it would be a nice little touch for this sandwich. So we're going to ungracefully put the butter onto this bread. Wonderful, or good enough. And then we're gonna add a little bit of bananas. Very nice. Oh yeah, it's all coming together. Probably should have used a fork, but we're committed now. It's too late. Alright, I'll be right back after I clean my hands. Peanut butter and jelly. Alright, I think the peanut butter will be easier to spread on the top bun. So let's go ahead and do that. Some nice Reese's peanut butter on butter. Huh? You like that? I like that. Ooh, we all like that. We all like that very much. It looks a little bit like mayo, so it's a little off-putting. But I'm just gonna power through that. Oh man, that actually smells delicious. Okay. Damn it. With the fingers. I mean, we'll censor it. And then the jelly. Right. Come on, work with me, bro. Oh, look at that. Grape jelly's actually sort of grown on me. It's not that bad. And there you have it. Not so bad if I do say so myself. So let's cover it with the top bun. Oh my god, Alright, and we're back. Here with BEZTRUKEN, ready to try out the Ultra Peanut Butter Sandwich.
Nice, we go. Here goes a banana. No!
Clink it and dink it?
Clink it and dink it.
Not bad.
It's just all coming out of the moment. It's really good.
It's really good, but the Ultra Jelly Sandwich still is a lot better. I mean, don't get me wrong, this is amazing. Peanut butter, jelly, banana. Man, but something about fresh fruit with your sandwich, I just can't get over it.
The strawberry was really good on the last one.
Mm-hmm.
It's not bad.
Thanks for joining us. as we struggle to finish the sandwich. So much.
Jam in my hand.
There's so much of it. It's good though.
It's all over the place.
So next time, catch us here on Good Mythical.
No.
They
sent letters.
Right. I'm sorry. One more time. Clink it and dick.
Bye.
Bye.